Yo boys, what's going on? My name is Sanchez. I want to record this video talking about myself and my background for a couple of reasons, really. Reason number one is I think there is a lot of value to be extracted from knowing a background of a founder if you want to know more about the tool. And either you're a follower who just tryna, I don't know, be like spectator of the journey, or if you're a potential business partner, I feel like what I've had done in the past and what like my like internal motivations are could bring some info out. So yeah, there's this video. There's not gonna be a lot of videos like this since I'm not really in love with talking about myself. So if you're looking for a product like related video, uh, that's not the video for you. But if you're interested in like a background and what I do, like why I do what I do, that's it. So how it all started. It all started like 3.5 years ago, I'd say, where I've been editing videos for some time now, but my background is like hugely in video editing. And at that time, I was editing a lot of videos, but I didn't really have much like, you know, output of it, right? I had like a personal TikTok page. I had like a mini YouTube channel, which I would like sometimes post at, like I would post gaming content and all of that. But I really wanted to turn it to something bigger, to like a career potentially. That's was in 2022, I think, when I met Musa. And not gonna get into the details of how we met, but I've been helping around some Discord servers for him. I've been editing some videos for free, and then we kind of became friends. And one day he decided to just hire me, and so I was really pumped because Musa, he later became a mentor, and he's doing really great now. But yeah, I've had a lot to learn from him, and like he really hardcore coached me for like 6 months, I think. And that was when he gave me his like first kind of outsourced client, I guess. That was Jordan Welch. And having learned everything that have learned about like editing, about the skills that he gave me, I ran Jordan Welch TikTok page, and from zero I went to 13K followers in 2.5 months, which was not terrible. It was pretty good. But then Musa said that Jordan wants a lot more, views. Like, we need to put a pedal down, like output more, which was really a problem since Jordan Welch wouldn't post at that time a lot of videos. He would post like once every 2 weeks. So I didn't really have a lot like to work with other than just like existing videos, and I would need to kind of repurpose the existing videos like a lot of the times to get views. That's when I had an idea. What if I create a new page and post the videos that did well on this page? Like for 2.5 months, I had like a video hit like 2 million views. One video hit like 1.2 million views. So it's like a couple of winners, a couple of outliers. And I thought, what if I create a new page and just post these, like the successful, like already pre-made successful videos with a couple of minor changes? And that's exactly what I did. And in 2 days, I got an account from 1 follower to 1,100 followers. I thought, that's interesting, right? Like haven't really done much work. All I've done was take existing good content that I've made earlier and turn it into some more impressions, some more content. That's when I really got interested and like, I thought there might be something here that I'm interested in, and that's why I asked myself a question: what if there was a way to post the same viral content on multiple pages without algorithms suspecting it? And again, I'm not gonna get in depth on like how I did it. I've partnered with like very very cool dev, and we basically made the system. This is my drawing on a. Back then I was like living in a dormitory. I like would draw shit on my windows, and this is like a sketch of the system that I've built out, which basically illustrates the content cloning, like this idea getting a good video, then making a lot of copies of it, and then distributing it to a lot of outlets. This is what it is, essentially. And yeah, it had really, really great results. It turned out to be it turned out to be a good idea. Like we've got since then, I've gotten 80 million views for Riley May, 30 million views for Zerka, 60 million views for Dom, and I decided to, hey, like we really have something here. Like let's give it a name. Let's like reinvest. Like I was really pumped. Like for the first time in my life, I had something like, okay, like I know what to do. You know, I know what to build, what to strive for. That's how Traffic Tide was born. This is the company that I run. And so I had these kind of marketing, like my main selling point, I would say, was we are gonna post videos, like we're gonna make and post videos on a lot of the pages, and each time they'll get good views. And the offer was very, very unique at the time, because at the time people were only doing like the cringe, like I will repurpose your content and like charge you 2K for it and like not deliver any results or promise anything. And obviously like my offer stood out, and that's why like we've made a lot of case studies. We've done a lot of like you know, good partnerships, so that was cool. So the system, like to explain what happened next, I'll explain the system. We would basically take the existing content like of these people. We would then re-edit them in like super professional way, in a way that again Musa coached me to, and yeah, would make fire pieces of content that later the cloner. When I'm referring to a cloner, imagine like a thing that you input one good video and it outputs like 15 the same good videos, but like indistinguishable to TikTok. Because if you were to post a video on TikTok, and it would get like 10K views, whatever, right? If you were to post the same video twice, it would get 0 views for a couple of reasons. First, it has the same metadata. Second, it has the same audio, and third, it has the same visual like part. So our cloner, like again, not to like reveal everything, it has to do with all three and changes all three of these things, and basically makes the videos unnoticeable to the algorithm in seconds. Like we're able to clone thousands of videos in like hours. So, which we then would post internally from our accounts. We had over 100 accounts running, and yeah, it was pretty successful. Again, like you can see on the visual here, like you know, we would look for winners. Essentially, we would post the video one time, it'll get 100K views, a second time 250K, and third time 2 million, right? And we were looking for that winner, and it was great. And I ran this offer for like a year. I thought like there was like good stuff, and it really was like it was getting really good results until TikTok started being very strict on the distribution part. So the cloning part works to this day. It still works. Like we can still change the videos like and make it like indistinguishable. What we could no longer do was to post 100 videos from the same IP from the same device. That was now the issue, because TikTok would start getting onto us and getting those videos banned. And obviously clients don't want banned videos, which is, you know, makes a lot of sense and sucks for us. So I realized that there needs to be a way to organically distribute these videos. And trust me, like I couldn't let go of this for like a good 6 months. I think I've been trying to find like there needs to be like a you know, I need to outplay TikTok somehow. Like I would connect virtual machines. I would build my phone farms. I still have like 10 phones in my drawer just sitting there. Like I would just physically have the phones like with the like custom proxy servers. I would like try to post videos. It doesn't work. Okay, like if you're trying to play TikTok, first of all, you're playing with like multi-billion-dollar organization that's always gonna have more resources and more time than you. So anytime like someone is pitching you like, oh yeah, I'm gonna like post 100 videos from one phone, you're just like, that's bullshit. Like it's either bots or some other whack shit that I don't fuck with. So I thought there has to be a way to distribute these videos organically, and that's how I came up with TideX app, and this app is what my pinned video in like in my bio talks about, and this is basically like the solution for this. Essentially, what the app does, whenever the product or a service or a financial like structure has community, some sort of like following that is interested in that asset, in our case, crypto, growing, or in product wise, if someone wants to be like a referral for a shoe brand, right? We need to do two things. We need to give them a good content to post. And second thing, we need to incentivize them to post this content. So for example, if there was a shoe brand, we would say, hey, like here is a dope video that we made specifically about like this shoe brand that speaks like highly of it and is like, that's actually has call to action to go and buy it. All you have to do is log on your Instagram, log on your TikTok and post that video 2 times a day, and we'll give you like 15% of the sale. And that worked, and it keeps working right now, and this is like the basis of the offer. And that was when I decided, and around this time, this was like I think 6 or 7 months ago, I started getting into crypto, and the person who got me into crypto was Sam Pepper, and when I first was editing videos for him, he was the first client to ever pay me in ETH, which I was like, okay, like I've never tried like using crypto ever, and I thought, oh wow, that's like pretty dope. Like it's kind of convenient. It's like, you know, I thought it's like way more complicated, but it made like our work way easier. Like around 6 or 7 months ago, I decided to say, okay, there has to be a way that this can be applied to crypto world. I want to learn how to provide the best possible value to the crypto world. For example, I'm gonna show you just, I hope they don't mind, wait a sec. One of my clients, Normie, this is their task bot. Whoop. So here, they do raids, like Twitter raids, like your normal link your X account, click the link, repost a tweet. The Twitter shell is like, you know, writes a tweet reply, and post a TikTok video is obviously like post a TikTok video. That's what I've been saying for all this time. And yeah, it turns out that it's a really good like tool for crypto communities to like manage it, to be nurture the engagement, and 3, to really push the project in like engagement and in just drive impressions. And also we have here, this is the admin. I'm gonna probably show it in a different video. I'm gonna explain how exactly we make sure that these kind of tasks get done, and not just kind of like, yeah, okay, I've done it, like blah, blah, blah. You know, we can do that. And here we have leaderboard, we have profile, like again, I'll talk about the product some other day. So when I've done this, and I realized, okay, this might be super cool for crypto projects, it turned out to be really cool. And again, here I have some testimonials, some like stats for from other people saying that either a tool or the like what the tool brought helped them. Sam Pepper, but yeah, right now I'm running this and I'm very excited because every day we keep finding new like ideas for the tasks for communities to do, or like for new content for the community to post. And yeah, this is basically where we are right now. It's just a funny image. But yeah, I just wanted to share kind of my background, because I feel like if I would have to text it every time to someone, it would be like take too much time. This is my background, and right now I'm really looking to work with more crypto projects. I want to help as many Solana tokens to really nail down the community side of the tokens, because at the end of the day, crypto is an attention game, and whichever project has more attention on it will win. And this is exactly what my app does. We not only give you an app where, and this is a Telegram mini app, by the way. Like, this is all inside Telegram. Users don't have to download anything. They just click the link, and yeah, they kind of can use it. Here is another client of mine's app, DTF. But yeah, more about the product next time. That was it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, please DM me. I'm always open to connect and everything like that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. See ya.